If you like playing PC-style games or using powerful apps on your phone, you've probably noticed something. Some features, servers, or content are locked depending on your location. That means you're not always getting the full experience on your mobile device. But what if you could unlock more features just by changing your location? One simple way to do this is by using tools like MagFone Location Changer. It lets you instantly change your GPS location on both Android and iPhone without needing root or jailbreak. You can simulate GPS movement with customized routes and speeds. And this tool offers several modes for flexible GPS movement in various scenarios. If you're someone who wants to try apps or games that aren't available in your region or explore features from different locations, this can be really useful. It works with most location-based apps like geo-based games, social apps, and even dating apps too. So you're not limited by where you are. Now to get started, and yes, this tool even supports the latest Android 16 and iOS 26 devices. So click on Try for free and install the setup. The setup process is the same as usual, like we do with other software. And there we go. We are on the main screen. Now here, agree to the terms. And also take a moment to read the disclaimer. Since this tool is designed to protect your real location, it should be used for privacy and educational purposes only. Please don't misuse it or attempt to cheat. Now click on Agree, and then Start. Now here, you need to connect your iOS or Android device to the computer via a USB cable. First, I'll show the Android process. I'll connect my Android device. Alright, the device got detected. Now go to Next. Here, you need to follow some steps. First, enable developer options on your phone. Go to About Phone. Then Software Information, and tap on Build Number multiple times to enable developer options. Alright, now go to Developer Options, and here enable USB debugging. Allow the PC access permission. And there we go. Now here, select the simulation mode you want. We have Game Mode and General Mode for apps. Let's go with Game Mode, as I want to try Pokemon Go. The game will automatically get installed onto the device. Alright, now I'm in my current location. Now let's change the location to London in the UK. You can also point to any location on the map. Now click on Start Modifying. And as you can see, the location has changed in the game. You can also create GPS movement using spots. And choose the movement speed type, either uniform or variable. Variable is better for more realistic movement. Now plan a route. And that's it. As you can see, the character starts moving from one point to the destination. Let's increase the speed a bit. That looks more accurate, right? And this is a 2-spot movement, and if you want, you can create multiple spot coordinates. I'll add multiple spots here. Now let's start moving. And there you go. Amazing, right? Now let's try a different location, like Australia. Alright, now it's night there. In the same way, you can switch to any location and create coordinates as you want. This also works for other games. Now let's try it with an iOS device. I'll connect my iPhone. Go to Next. On the iPhone, allow the permission and select the mode you want. Let's go with General Mode to use apps like social apps or maps. Now we need to follow some steps. Then go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you'll find Developer Mode. Enable the Developer Mode. It requires a restart. After that, allow developer access in boot mode. And there we go, we are ready. Now let's try it with Apple Maps. Alright, let's change the location to like Mumbai. And there you go. The location is updated on the map. In the same way, you can create GPS coordinates from one spot to another, or even multiple locations, with navigation in variable speeds. As you can see, it's quite accurate. You can also try the same with Google Maps or other social applications, or even dating apps like Tinder or Bumble. The GPS movement works in real time quite accurately. Well. So that's how you can easily change your phone's location and unlock more features across different apps and games. Now, talking about pricing, MagFone offers multiple plans depending on your needs, including monthly, yearly, and even lifetime options. You can check out the link in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.